it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect way to say thank you to someone special in your life? Well, Naha Flume has made the most exquisite thank you box that does just that. This box is absolutely gorgeous. It has this beautiful shiny gold all over the package. So from the moment they receive this gift from you, they know that they are in for such a treat. When you open the box, it has a beautiful filled with gratitude sign, and you will immediately be greeted with the most gorgeous smells from the box. It comes so artfully wrapped and is completely perfect out of the box. So if you were to send this to someone who doesn't live near you, you don't have to worry about how it's getting to them because it is wrapped so beautifully. This box comes with the most luxurious soap and bath bomb, as well as a very light, refreshing candle. It also comes with a stainless steel wine tumbler and the coziest of socks. So if you want to take your gift giving to the next level, then this box from Naha Flume is exactly what you need. And that is my point of view.